Suns unveil massive new LED display ahead of 2027 NBA All-Star Game. Fire basketball. Suns unveil plans for new LED display on arena. The home of the Phoenix Suns is getting some visible upgrades as it prepares to host the 2027 NBA All-Star Game. The Phoenix Suns are taking another major step toward creating a bigger and more exciting fan experience, with a massive new LED display planned outside their home arena. The new screen is being introduced as Phoenix prepares to host the 2027 NBA All-Star Weekend, bringing one of the biggest events on the NBA calendar back to the city. According to the latest reports, the new exterior LED display will cover approximately 9,266 square feet and measure about 226 feet wide and 41 feet tall. That would make it the largest exterior display of its kind at an NBA or WNBA arena. The goal is not simply to add another giant screen. The Suns want to transform the area outside the arena into a major gathering and entertainment space for fans. The display is expected to show live sports, including Suns and Mercury games, while also being used for concerts, community events, and other major entertainment programming. The idea is to give fans a reason to gather around the arena even when they are not sitting inside for a game. This upgrade comes at an important time for Phoenix. The NBA has officially selected the city to host NBA All-Star 2027, with the 76th NBA All-Star Game scheduled for Sunday, February 21, 2027. The All-Star festivities will run from February 19 through February 21. Phoenix is set to host the NBA All-Star Game for the fourth time, following previous editions in 1975, 1995, and 2009. The weekend will include NBA Rising Stars, All-Star Saturday night events such as the Skills Challenge, Three-Point Challenge, and Slam Dunk Contest, followed by the main All-Star Game. The Suns have already invested heavily in technology at the arena. Previous U Arabic CAF Arabic letter 6 C1 PGR a D ES included a large LED center-hung scoreboard, ribbon displays, and other digital screens designed to improve the experience for fans throughout the venue. Now, the massive exterior screen could take that experience beyond the arena itself. For Phoenix Suns fans, this means game nights and major events could become much more of a citywide experience, with fans able to watch and celebrate together outside the venue. And with NBA All-Star 2027 approaching, the timing is significant. Phoenix will be welcoming basketball fans from around the world, and the Suns are clearly looking to make the arena and surrounding area ready for the global spotlight. So the big takeaway is simple. Phoenix is preparing for a major transformation in the fan experience, and this giant LED display could become one of the most visible additions ahead of NBA All-Star 2027. As more details about the project become available, fans will get a clearer picture of exactly how this new digital landmark will be used. One thing is certain, the countdown to NBA All-Star 2027 in Phoenix is already underway. Basketball fire.